Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Hello, welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today I received my Halloween Walmart beauty box. It's like a special edition. It was like $10. They have another subscription that's like seasonal. It's like $7. Well, for the fall one, I upgraded to the $10 one, and it's in the last video I posted, and it's a pretty good box. If you can, if you get the fall box, I would say get the $10, upgrade to the $10 one, because you get a little better value, and it's not much more expensive. This one's like limited edition. I'm excited to open it. I hope you like my background. I'm trying to change up my how I do my videos. I added like a little Halloween background. So here we go. I'm using a green screen. It's kind of cool, isn't it? It's not perfect, but it's neat. But here we go. Here's a little sneak peek of what's in the box. Let's see. Let me see if I can dim that light a little bit. It's a little bright. See, there's a little sneak peek. Let's see what we got. Last time I forgot to show the little ticket, or not the ticket, but the little postcard they give you. It tells you what you get. It says, "Hey there, beautiful, Walmart beauty box. Even more treats." It shows you a website you can go to. Let me hang on a second. Is that a little better? There we go. It's kind of messing up my background, but I'm trying to make it where you could read a little better. And here's all the stuff you get in the little Halloween box. Can you read it? Dim the light some more. You can kind of see. That's all the products you get. Let's see. I got a Milani little matte finish. I guess it's like a setting spray. What's the price of that? $8. That's not bad. Today I'm wearing I bought some Milani lip liner, and I lined my lips. It's like a purple color, and I'm wearing a Jeffree Star lipstick in I think it's Medieval Kiss. If you ever get that lipstick, get you some purple lip liner from Milani, because like if you just wear that lipstick, it's very splotchy. And with just add some eyeliner if you ever, I think it's velour lipstick. It's like in a it's like a little tube of lipstick. If you ever, it looks like a bullet. If you ever get that lipstick, or if you ever buy this lipstick, be sure to get you some lip liner. Be cheap lip liner, but the one I bought was kind of splotchy looking. So, and the next item is Profusion Cosmetics Halloween 2021 4-shade palette. It looks like a coffin. Isn't that cute? I love Halloween. This is such. Oh wow. These are pretty colors too. I like the colors, and it's a red color. That's interesting. Pretty colors. How much is this? $5. That's not bad. And they're pretty colors, and you can wear them. They're very wearable. Even though there's some kind of dark colors, but I think they're pretty wearable, and I like the little palette. Isn't it cute? Well, to the next item. Wet n Wild Fantasy Markers, little face gems you can wear for Halloween. Isn't that cute? I don't know. I may have found some way to wear them. They're really cute. And Vaza Bobby hair clips, little see-through hair clip. I might give that to somebody. I have very short hair, so I really don't need a hair clip. This is like $7. I'll give it to somebody. I won't use them, but maybe somebody else can. And Lottie London stamp liner. And this is $5. I think I have something like this, or I've had something like this. I might give this to somebody too. I'm not big on eyeliner, black eyeliner. I don't mind if it's different looking, but like black eyeliner, I think it's had its day a lot in the last several years. The winged eyeliner look. I don't know. I'm over it. But got one more item. Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink. It's a deep color. It's pretty though. Let's see. How much does it cost? Revlon Color Stay Satin Ink. It's $10. It's a comfortable lip color that moves with your lips and wears up to 16 hours. We'll see with that. Most, I don't know. The only longest lasting lipstick I ever had was by, what is that brand? I used to buy it all the time. Can't think of the name now. They have like salespeople that sell them. What is the name? But there's a brand by CoverGirl that lasts long too. But I don't know. What is the name of that company? I used to get their lip stuff all the time. Lipsense, that's the name. Lipsense. That's the longest lasting lip color stuff I've ever used. I haven't used it in a long time though, but if you want long lasting lips, the only thing that makes your lips dry, but that lipstick will last all day. And it's good to buy the lip gloss too. That helps moisturize your lips. So that's, if you get Lipsense, that's the lipstick to get if you want long lasting stuff. Here's the color. And I think CoverGirl has a lipstick that's kind of like that too, that dries down and you have a little lip balm that goes over it. Well, here's a swatch. That's deep red. It's pretty though. It'd be cute for Halloween for like a, you know, if you dress up like a witch or something. Very vampy color. Well, that's all I got in my box. I think I got everything that's in here that they listed. That's a pretty nice little box. I like everything I got. I just won't use the bobby pins, but I think I'll give that to somebody. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Please follow me on social media. Please like my Facebook page. Thanks, everybody. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.